That's why it's crucial to focus on these key vitamins to support the foundation of a healthy life. Kidney health. The sunshine vitamin, D vitamin, the B6 vitamin involved in amino acid metabolism, and the C vitamin combating oxidative stress altogether. These vitamins form the cornerstone of preserving kidney health. Now, let's dive into each one in detail. Vitamin D. Let's understand why exposure to sunlight is so crucial for the synthesis of vitamin D. Additionally, explore foods rich in vitamin D and supplements, uncovering the recommended daily intake, especially for those aged 50 and above. How it contributes. Vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, crucial for bone health. It also regulates kidney functions, reducing the risk of kidney diseases. Food sources. Adding vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolks, and dairy products to our diet strengthens kidney health. Vitamin B6. Delve deeper into vitamin B6, understanding its role in the breakdown of amino acids and the control of homocysteine levels. Explore how foods rich in B6 contribute to our health and well-being. How it contributes. Vitamin B6 regulates amino acid metabolism, preventing the formation of kidney stones and supporting overall kidney health. It also maintains healthy homocysteine levels, promoting heart health. Food sources. Regularly consuming B6-rich foods such as chicken, fish, bananas, potatoes, and avocados contributes to a healthy diet. Vitamin C. Learn how vitamin C can reduce oxidative stress and consequently protect kidney health. Explore how to incorporate vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, red peppers, strawberries, and broccoli into your daily diet. How it contributes. Vitamin C, with its antioxidant properties, protects cells from free radicals and supports kidney tissues. Additionally, it acts as a natural defense mechanism against urinary tract infections. Food sources, including C-rich foods like citrus fruits, orange, tangerine, red peppers, strawberries, broccoli, and rose hips in our daily diet supports kidney health. In conclusion, through this video, we've taken a closer look at the three essential vitamins D, B6, and C that play a vital role in our kidney health. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and regular exercise is crucial. Integrating these vitamins into your daily nutritional routine could be a fantastic way to support your kidney health. Don't forget to follow our channel for more information on healthy lifestyle choices. We wish you healthy and happy days. Bonus, dear readers, as you step into your 50s, adopting healthy eating habits can keep you energetic and balanced. At this age, nutritional needs might change, and getting the right nutrients can positively impact your aging process. Eating healthily is the key to boosting your energy and maintaining overall health in your 50s. Remember, everyone's needs are different, so create a nutrition plan that aligns with your personal health status and preferences. Wishing you a life filled with healthy and delicious meals.